Well, good afternoon, good people. Jason here with Green Country Agroforestry. Oh my goodness gracious me, oh my. Can you hear all the insects chirping out here? There's butterfly. Oh, that's a pretty one too. When they're first out, they've got a lot of blue on the back of the wings, these black swallowtails. Let's see if this one will. Yeah, go over there, show us. Show us your pretty blue wings. Show us, show us, show us. Oh yeah, you got orange on the underside too. We want to see that pretty blue. Okay, this one's a little bit older. It's got little less blue, but you still see a little bit of that blue shine. So that one's going along, pollinating. Pardon the air conditioner noise there. These are bronze muscadine grapes under here. They are coming ripe pretty soon. We'll probably have ourselves a snack if we wanted to. Ooh-wee. Looks like I need to run the drip tape in here. We haven't had rain in a bit. Not in a good minute or two. Those clouds up there, they look like, you know, they might offer some, but you never know. You'll pardon the great big green dumpster here. That's the number right there. Been there, dump that. If you're in the Tulsa area, in the Sand Springs area, and you want to have a good family-owned business to work with for your dumpster needs, do consider giving the Reynolds a call. Been there, dump that. All right. They don't pay me to say that. They's just neighbors. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. You know, I could probably make a fair penny if I sold advertisements, huh? All right, I just want you guys to have a look here. This is our little friend. All right, our little friend here. Little friends hanging out. Hopefully we got that. And if we didn't, oh well. We'll do up and then go up and over again. All right. Got ourselves a frog. And a lot of garbage to haul off. Yep, we're cleaning out the mother-in-law's house today. Gonna do that. Oh, we'll probably need to remember to run the sprinklers over here. It looks like we're getting a couple of the elderberry stakes to root over here. I've got a bunch more out back that got rooted already, so we've got some rooted elderberry to sell. Of course, we've got a couple of the mulberry to sell too. Ooh, look at that Rose of Sharon blooming old late over there. We still got a few more chores to do. Got to knock the soot out of the chimney. Of course, get ready for winter. Got throw a tarp up over this thing over here, get some firewood moved in. I've got to go back, and I'm so sorry, I did a little bit showing you the Aleph alphabet lesson the other day. I need to come back and show you the rest of it, because I showed you Phoenician and I showed you the Hebrew, which, you know, kind of had the same bullhead at one time, but I didn't show you the old Ogam. That's the line script, or the Futhark rune for Anus. And all of those characters have very interesting similarities and meanings, so I'll probably get to that here sometime in the near future. Anyway, just checking in with y'all. This is Jason with Green Country Agroforestry. Busy, busy, busy today. Yeah, I could be watching tree frogs. Instead, I'm throwing away trash. But you know how it is. In order to come up with a nice, pretty looking place, you gotta do some work on the places that need the work. So anyway, I better get back to it. Well, you've been watching Green Country Agroforestry. I hope you found today's video informative or entertaining. Maybe a little bit of both. If you did, well, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. But until then, get out there and get growing.